students, this is my database experiment. I'm Joel Starker. They asked me to create a view having car ID, car type, and color and price. In previous exercises, I have created a database which consists of 4 tables: price details, car details, customer details, as well as booking. So they asked me to create, in this experiment, they asked me to create views as well as index and sequences. So first question is create a view having car ID and these things. So I am creating create or replace is a keyword to do it, and view is a keyword to create a view, and view2 is a view name as select p dot car id, p dot car type, p dot basic price. But p is actually the price details we are taking as p, and car details I'm taking as c. So I'm from price details I'm taking car id, car type, and basic price per day, and from car details I'm taking the color of the car, where both the car IDs must be matched in personal details as well as in car details. So then only this view will be created. So I'm just viewing the view. So this is how my view will be describing view. So update the above view by arranging the car type in alphabetic order. So they asked me to create it in alphabetic order. The same thing, but extra I have added it here is order by car type. So everything will be ordered in a car type things. So order is a keyword which is used to arrange the things in ascending or descending order. Default it will be arranging in ascending order. So you can see it here, car type. So all the things are arranged in C2, CLV, they're in ascending order. Next thing is display the name of the car whose price is more than the average price from the above created view. So they asked me to just check display the things which are having the price above the average value. First I need to calculate the average, then I need to check which are greater than the average, and I need to display it. So I'm just car ID from V2, where basic price per day must be greater than select. Here is the average is an aggressive attribute function, average. So it takes all the averages and displayed from VU1. So I'm taking which is greater than this value, that will be this. So we have only 2 car IDs, 105 and 101. Now question is create the complex view having the car name, booking date, and customer ID. So they asked me to create a complex view. So a complex view consists of more tables. So create view, same thing, create view V4 as select A in the sense car booking, and car details I'm taking as C. Same thing. From car booking I'm taking customer ID and booking date, and from car details I'm taking car brand. So where car ID in car booking in as well as in car details must be equal. So I'm created, I'm just viewing the view. So this is a complex view. So they create a view that displays all the details of the car which belong to category luxury. So it should only display only category luxury. The same thing I'm doing it, car type, and I'm taking it from price details. I'm taking car ID and car type from price details, as well as basic price per day. I'm taking it from price details because I'm taking as price details as P. Then I'm taking color and car band from car details. I'm checking both the IDs in price details in car ID must be equal. Then I'm checking it, the car type must be luxury. So I'm just viewing the view. So this is how my view will be. So it will only be displaying the cars which are luxury. And then delete the record from the view which is price more than 500. Actually to the complex view, so we cannot do all the commands on complex views, so we cannot delete it. And view the speed of the axis. So they asked me it's an index create. They asked me to create an index. So I'm just create index name of the index on car booking, on the attribute car ID. I'm just creating it index on car ID. The index name is index 1, and next one is create the sequence of booking. Automatically should be incremented. So I'm just creating a sequence, and SQ1 is the sequence name, and the increment by 1. So automatically it will be incremented by 1. It starts from 18 and maximum value will be 10,000. No catch and no cycle, so it won't be repeated again. So the sequence is created. Thank you so much.